Girls of the reunion, welcome to the buzz. Megan, Bangs.
Hi, Tito Boy.
Thank you.
Bakit naman titig tayo?
Jessie.
Hello po, Tito Boy.
And Julia.
Hello po, hello po.
Wow, okay. Alam niyo po mga nanay, mga tatay, mga bagets, this is one movie I think that you should watch. Dahil, you know, the reunion, sa title pa lamang, baka isipin po natin na reunion lamang po ito. But I know, hindi natin ibibigay ang buong kwento. But this is a story about boys and girls going through struggles in their lives, but they go home, you know, go back to their roots, to their core, para maharap ang mga problema. Hindi ba? Mabilisan lamang. Megan, ikaw, ano yung leksyon ng karakter na ginagampanan mo dito sa The Reunion?
I guess siguro, when you have a problem, I guess kailangan mo nang harapin agad. Kasi mahirap yung iniiwanan mo, yung tinatakbuhan mo lang yung problema.
Pero syempre, di ba, it takes some amount of courage to be able to do that. Ikaw ba yung tipo, Mega, na I go to my mom or to my dad kung hindi ko na kaya harapin ang isang problema?
Ako, siguro mas sa friends ko.
Sa friends?
Sa barkada talaga. Barkada.
Bakit? Dahil mas may tiwala ka or dahil mas nauunawaan ka?
Siguro, mas nauunawaan, I guess. Kasi iba pa rin Iba pa rin pag barkada natin.
Not because you trust or you love your parents less.
No, it's not
Okay,
that. Of
that's
course, I always tell them about it, but I will go to my friends first. It's just that, alam mo yun, kailangan ko ng comfort ng kaibigan ko. Iba pa rin Iba pa rin pag
At ito, mga kaibigan, ay ini-explore ng The Reunion. Ikaw, Bangs, ano ang leksyon ng iyong karakter dito sa pelikulang ito?
Based po sa character ko, pag napanood niyo yung The Reunion, talagang lahat ng kabataan matututunan nilang mahalin lalo ang sarili nila. And I think kahit sino sa atin, mapartista ka man, mapanormal kang tao, kailangan mahalin niyo yung sarili niyo. Learn to love yourself for who you are and what you are and for what God has given you.
Okay, dagdag lamang dyan, pero lalo na sa mga bata, or hindi bata, for everyone, you can only give something if you have that. Alam mo yun, yung pwede kang magbigay lamang ng pagmamahal kung meron kang pagmamahal sa iyong sarili.
Yes, you
Diba?
should learn to love yourself first
That's
before
true.
you take care of the people
Easier said
around
than done, pero nakukuha po yan sa practice. You have to love yourself.
you. True.
Diba? Jessica.
Para sa akin, oo, tama. Always love yourself first. I mean, not in a selfish way, but
That's
kasi
true.
yung character ko kasi si Ali, she has always been giving to everyone, to her best friend, which is Lloyd.
Ano yun?
Tapos,
Giving na hindi nagtitira?
Hindi. Lahat binibigay niya kay Lloyd.
Okay.
For almost, I think, 8 years, tinago niya yung feelings niya kay Lloyd. And kahit anong problema ni Lloyd, kahit habulin yung babaeng mahal ni Lloyd, ginawa
Andun ka
niya.
pa rin?
Oo.
You wouldn't do that in real life.
No.
No.
I'm sorry.
Totoo, I understand. Julia, ikaw.
Based po sa character ko, more on, siguro hindi mo kailangan magbago para sa mahal mo. Kailangan, doon mo mapuprove kung mahal ka talaga ng tao, kung hindi mo kailangan baguhin kung ano ka talaga bago ka niya makilala.
Stay true to yourself. Stay true to your core. Kung mahal ka talaga, ikaw yun. That's the whole package. Pero hindi ba, marami talaga sa atin ang babaguhin and will do a lot of things na hindi ikaw para lamang mapamahal ang isang tao. And that's wrong.
Yes.
That's really wrong. Megan, bakit hindi mamatay-matay? Itong balita na may kinalaman sa yung basketball boyfriend, you know, 2 years ago pa ito.
Ex-boyfriend.
Ex-boyfriend.
Oo,
But
matagal.
are you guys friends?
Well, I haven't seen him in a while. So, tsaka the thing is kasi, yung connection lang namin was, as in kami lang dalawa. So, we have common friends, pero hindi, wala talaga.
But do you understand why? Hanggang ngayon ay pinag-uusapan pa rin ito.
No, I don't.
That
But,
kiss with Sian, how was it? Na napanood namin sa trailer.
actually, ang joke nga nila, mabagal daw humalik si Sia.
Ang
Yun yung
tanong
joke
ko naman
nila.
sa'yo, mabagal nga ba humalik si Sian?
Okay lang.
Okay. Bangs, ikaw, nade-develop na raw si, I don't know who, ikaw o si Kian sa isa't isa. Is that true?
Develop, I don't think that's the term.
Sabi ni Jessie.
Ako
Okay.
din.
Okay.
I think ang perfect term is, I admire Kian.
Is that mutual? Does he admire you in return?
Sabi niya.
Talaga?
Sabi niya kasi sobrang click po talaga kami, Tito Boy. First shooting day pa lang.
Okay.
And
At
marami
nangangahulugan na
kaming
dahil
interest.
click kayo sa isa't isa, there's a possibility that you guys can be together.
Anything's possible.
Di ba? Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun. Jessie, makabagbag damdamin ang aming napanood ng interview ni JM last week dito sa The Buzz. And he was saying, I mean, with all honesty, na wala na kayong dalawa. Pero you know, there was a line, sabi niya, pero hindi ako, susubok at susubok ako hanggat mapagod ako. And then the last line was, yes, you wanna comment?
Wow naman. Biglang bakit naiba yung akin? I guess kay JM, yes, everybody deserves a second chance. And if he really, I think naman na hindi kasi siya ganun eh. Hindi siya yung mapasalita. And for him to do that on
That's
TV
true.
is very sweet of him. And we'll see. I just wanna take my time and things very slowly.
Ganda. You know what you're trying to tell me now at sa ating mga manonood is that walang sarado. You know, the possibilities are infinite,
And
hindi
I
ba?
think, anything
Anything is possible.
Yes.
He's a
And
nice
he should
guy.
love himself.
He's a nice guy. One of the best actors. What a beautiful, beautiful young man. Totoo yun, if you're watching JM. Julia, 7 months na lamang daw ang hihintayin ni Enchong and you are 18. Ang tanong dito, meron ba talagang pag-asa ang aming kaibigang Enchong D kay Julia Montes?
Pag-asa? Siyempre, ay. Teka na, ba't kanina tahimik niyo? Hindi, siguro hindi ko naman sinasabing walang pag-asa kasi yung character naman ni Enchong, talagang hindi mo aanuhin na mabait siya, yung may pinag-aralan, mabait sa family niya. Kumbaga, in a way, boyfriend material naman siya.
So having said that, mabait sa pamilya, boyfriend material, may pag-asa ba? I mean, we go back to that question.
May pag-asa ba? May pag-asa.
Salamat. Narinig natin lahat yan. Wow, Enchong, may pag-asa. Guys, invite everyone to your movie.
Yes, August 15 na po, mapapanood nyo na sa lahat ng sinehan ang The Reunion. Isama nyo ang pamilya nyo, ang buong barkada nyo, because this is the Barkada movie of the year.
Yes. Directed by Frasco Marquez.
At ang premiere po namin, August 14 na po yan sa SM Mega Mall Cinema 4, 7 p.m.
Ayun po, sana po panoorin niyo po ang The Reunion, August 15 na. And I would like to thank Kusi Ho, Smile, and Kim Season for video.
Say hello to
Himas
Gusi.
Bupyak.
Kusi!
Abangan niyo po. Thank you, Kusi. Abangan niyo po pala ang premiere night namin sa Mega Mall. Ay, sinabi na.
Yeah. Again.
Okay, guys,
Mega
just
Mall.
one last question about the movie. Para klaro lamang ito sa ating mga manonood. Why should I watch your movie? Sige nga.
It's something different. It's something different that we
Okay,
haven't
something
seen
different.
in a
All
while.
right. Ikaw, Babs, why should I watch The Reunion?
Unang-una, inspired by Eraserhead songs ito. And I'm sure maraming fans ng Eraserheads. Thank you pala, by the way, Eraserheads, for contributing.
Okay, very good.
And then, hindi lang po ito pang barkada, pang pamilya rin po.
Jessie?
Babalik po kayo sa pagkabata niyo. Yun
Ay, ang
ang
sarap
masasabi
naman.
ko.
Sobrang
Sobrang
high school days.
I love that.
good movie siya, trailer pa lang, the songs.
Babalik ka sa iyong pagkabata. Julia, ikaw.
Bawat character, mapapaisip ka, sino ko dun sa mga character na yun. Hindi, sa lahat manonood, lahat dyan, meron kayong character.
You'll be able to identify
Yes.
with somebody in the movie. Alam niyo po mga kaibigan, tayo, di ba, sa paglalakbay natin sa buhay, madalas sinasabi po natin na kahit anong mangyari, babalik at babalik ka talaga sa high school days mo. And some of the best friends that you make in life, nakilala mo nung high school ka.
Yeah,
Di ba?
sobrang na-miss ko
Totoo
nga
yan.
kaya ang best friends
That's right.
ko. Dahil
And this is your movie. This is about you, this is about me, this is about the girls, this is about us. So watch The Reunion. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat sa inyo and mabilisan lamang po ito.